3 years ago, a 67-year-old retired teacher started feeling something many men quietly experience as they age. Less energy, less strength, and simple daily tasks started feeling a little harder than before. He didn't want medication, he didn't want complicated workout routines, and he definitely didn't want expensive supplements. So he made one simple decision. He started moving more. Not intensely, not for hours, just consistently. At first, nothing felt different, but after a few weeks, something started to change. He noticed it was easier to get out of a chair. His walks felt smoother, and he had more energy during the day. His doctor told him something interesting. It wasn't about doing more. It was about doing the right kind of movement. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what those movements are. If you're over 50 and want to stay strong, active, and independent, watch this video until the end. Because the third exercise is the one most men completely overlook. Welcome back to VitaSignal 60, your trusted channel for healthy aging, strength, and practical fitness for adults over 50. If your goal is to stay active, independent, and confident as you age, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our daily videos designed specifically for you. Now let's start with the first exercise. Exercise number 1 to 2, stand chair squats. The first exercise is the sit to stand movement. It looks simple, but it's one of the most important movements for aging strength. It trains the muscles you use every single day. Your legs, your hips, your glutes, and your core. Think about it. Every time you stand up from a chair, you're doing this movement. Now imagine if that movement became easier, smoother, and more controlled. That's exactly what this exercise does. Here's how to do it. Sit on a sturdy chair. Place your feet flat on the ground. Keep your chest slightly lifted. Lean forward a little. And stand up slowly. Then sit back down with control. That's 1 repetition. Start with 10 to 15 reps. Do 2 to 3 sets. If you need support at first, that's completely fine. Even using your hands is a good starting point. As you get stronger, slow the movement down. That increases strength and control. For many men, this is the first exercise that brings noticeable improvement in daily life. Getting up feels easier, walking feels lighter, and movement becomes more natural again. And that builds confidence. Exercise number 2, brisk walking with intervals. Now let's move to exercise number 2. Brisk walking with simple intervals. Walking is often underestimated, but it's one of the most powerful habits for long-term health. And when you add small changes, it becomes even more effective. Here's what to do. Walk at a normal pace for 2 minutes. Then increase your speed slightly for 1 minute. After that, return to your normal pace again. Repeat this cycle for 15 to 20 minutes. That's it. No equipment, no gym, just simple movement. This type of walking helps your body stay active in a balanced way. It supports endurance, helps circulation, and keeps your joints moving smoothly. But there's something even more important: consistency. You don't need perfect workouts. You just need regular movement throughout the week. Even 20 minutes a day can make a difference over time. Think of it like this. Every walk is a small investment in your future health. Before we move to the third exercise, let me ask you something. What is your biggest health goal right now? More energy? Better strength? Weight control? Or simply staying independent as long as possible? Write it in the comments below. I read them, and they help shape future videos on VitaSignal 60. Exercise number 3, push-ups or wall push-ups. Now we come to the third exercise, and this is the one most men ignore. Push-ups, or wall push-ups if you're just starting out. This is one of the best upper body exercises you can do, because it works multiple muscles at the same time. Your chest, your shoulders, your arms, and your core. If regular push-ups are too difficult, start with wall push-ups. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands at shoulder width. Slowly bend your elbows. Lean toward the wall. Then push back. Start with 10 repetitions. Do 2 sets. As you get stronger, you can move to a countertop, then a bench, and eventually floor push-ups if you're ready. The best part is simplicity. You can do this anywhere. No equipment needed. No special training required. And for men over 50, upper body strength matters more than most people realize. It helps with lifting groceries, carrying daily items, improving posture, and staying independent in daily life. Because at this stage of life, strength is not about appearance. It's about freedom. Let's quickly review everything. First, sit to stand exercises for lower body strength and mobility. Second, brisk walking with intervals for heart health and endurance. Third, push-ups or wall push-ups for upper body strength. Together, these 3 simple movements create a complete routine you can do almost anywhere. No gym required. No expensive equipment. Just consistency. And while no exercise guarantees changes in hormones like testosterone, regular movement is one of the most important parts of staying healthy, strong, and active as you age. It supports muscle maintenance, improves energy, and helps overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to VitaSignal 60 for more simple, practical health tips for adults over 50. And don't miss our next video. 7 morning habits that help men over 60 stay energized all day. Thank you for watching. Stay active, stay strong, stay independent, and we'll see you in the next video.